Hi everyone! This is a demonstration of Nutanix Prism Central. Today, I will provide you with an overview on the Prism Pro license. In this demonstration, I will go through a slide overview, customizable dashboards, capacity planning, and the advanced search and reporting functionality. For those of you needing a refresher, Prism Central is a multi-cluster management and control interface for managing Prism elements. Prism Pro is a subscription or a license that enables additional features in Prism Central. Note that the Prism Starter license is included with your Nutanix purchase. Think of Prism Central as the manager of managers. Whether you have a single Nutanix cluster in your data center or you're running a bank with several branches hosting a Nutanix cluster each, Prism Central is your single pane of glass that allows you to simply manage all of your Nutanix clusters regardless of their locations. To show you how easy Prism Central works, I start by opening the browser and heading to my Prism Central IP. I'm prompted to log in, so I'll enter my credentials right here. What's interesting to mention here is that Prism is built on a HTML5 only, meaning there's no Java or Flash needed on your device, so you can actually access Prism Central from any device, whether it's a tablet or a mobile phone. Now that I'm logged in, you can see that I landed on my main dashboard in the Home tab. This page displays the following features: a widget showing a summary across all the configured clusters, a summary dashboard for each of the following: storage, CPU, memory usage, and cluster latency, with drill-down options to view detailed information of multiple cluster analytics capabilities that show potential issues that might occur, their impact time, their severity, and some corrective measures. The great thing is that Prism provides the single sign-on option that gives the ability to configure individual clusters by clicking on any registered cluster. All of the features that I have reviewed are already included with Prism Starter. So what's all the buzz about Prism Pro? To get started, Prism Pro is known for its one-click simplicity with its customizable dashboards, capacity planning, and advanced search and reporting functionality. Let's say that you have just deployed a new file server in one of the branches of your bank. You can create a customizable dashboard to specifically watch the disk IOPS, latency, and the memory usage of not only your new file server, but also the specific Nutanix cluster in that branch. In order to do that, in the Home tab, click on Manage Dashboards, followed with New Dashboard. Enter the desired name, then click Save. Click on Add Widget in order to display the metrics you want to monitor. For example, on the upper left, let's click on Top List Widgets and choose Branch 1. You can select the desired view, the entity to report on, in our case let's choose VM, and let's keep the IOPS metric. So we will be monitoring the IOPS of the VMs in Branch 1. Once this is done, click on Add to Dashboard. We can do the same work to monitor the memory usage and latency, for example, in that same dashboard. So this is the customizable dashboard for Branch 1. My favorite dashboard is the VM efficiency, which shows the over-provisioned, inactive, constrained, and bullied VMs. By clicking on the Planning tab, you can explore the two functionalities of Prism Pro's capacity planning feature, the scenarios and the runway, that we like to call it capacity behavior trends. Scenarios give you the ability to create and manage workload scenarios in order to better estimate an environment before deployment. So if you have decided to open a new branch in the coming 12 months, in order to better study the sizing, click on Add Workload, add the needed VMs and applications with their specifications, and Prism will clearly provide you with the needed recommendations from Nutanix nodes and their specific model numbers that should be installed. The scenario can be saved by clicking on Save Scenario, then it can be exported by clicking on Generate to PDF. As for the capacity runway, or as we like to call it, capacity behavior trends, it will analyze your current environment and will show you whether you are running out of either compute or storage, and will provide you detailed recommendations to add to your existing Nutanix cluster. Last but not least, Prism Pro provides enterprise search capabilities to perform intelligent actions. Let's consider that you need to search for all the VMs in your branches that are experiencing over 20% in CPU usage. You can simply type VM CPU usage with greater than 20%, and out of all the available virtual machines, a filtered list with the typed condition will appear. You can even search an advanced query to find all the Intel models, for example, on the physical servers by typing CPU model equals Intel. This demo has been brought to you by Cirrus. I hope it has been informative. Till next time!